Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be reviewing all three of the Tartelette palettes. I know I got these around Christmas time, but I really wanted to wait, play around, and all that before I just kind of like hopped out and put a review, because I did get a lot of palettes, not in a bragging way, but in a way where, a serious way where I didn't feel comfortable just hurrying up and putting out reviews. There's no way you can use all those palettes that quickly and have an opinion, so now that I've been using them way more, definitely have some more thoughts, but to get started, let's start off with the original. This is the original Tartelette, and this is a all matte one. And you can see this is what it looks like. I've only actually used this a few times. I know what I just said, but I don't know. I think this one might be just too cool tone for me and maybe too matte. These, I don't know. In comparison to these two, I know these do have shimmers, but the mattes in this one just seem a little bit more dry in comparison to this one. I do like this purple row here, but then like, I don't know, some of these are just kind of blah. Not in a mean way, but this palette is just kind of blah to me. I mean, like I said, I like this middle row, and I do appreciate like these nice cream shades. I do think Tarte does a beautiful off-white and white cream shades. They're actually really opaque and they don't look chalky in this palette, so I will give it that. But this one is honestly probably my least favorite of the three. There's nothing wrong with it. I think it's just more kind of like more basic, more, you know, blasé. I am going to make more of a reach for this so I can get, you know, a little bit more use out of him. Especially that middle row. I do really like these three shades a lot, and I do also kind of like this power player. It's like a gray, but I don't know. It's just like my least favorite of them all, where I'm like least drawn to. Next up is the second one in the line, is the Tartelette in Bloom. I can definitely see why a lot of people loved this palette. This is an amazing palette. As you can tell, I really liked Funny Girl because you can't even see Tarte, or you can't really see it in Rocker either. I just really, really like that, and I really like, again, that white. Oh, it's so creamy and nice. I really, really liked this palette so much. I really like I think it's the tones. Like, this one I feel like is more neutral, where that one's very cool toned. And I do like I do like a cool tone palette. I really gotta use this one more, guys. I gotta make myself use this one more. Maybe I'll do it in an upcoming Get Ready With Me or something to force myself to use it a bit more. But this one's so pretty. I really like this dark in the shade Leader. It's like a dark brown, but it's almost got that slight red, like reddish hue to it, like a burgundy almost, but a brown. Really, really like that. I like putting Funny Girl. Well, I like to cover it all with Charmer, but I like to put Funny Girl on the inside. I use this a pinch of Sweetheart and Smarty Pants and just mix those two, put it in the crease, and I like putting a little bit of like Rebel and Leader right on the outside. I put a little bit of Leader at first, but I put Leader, put Rebel first, okay? Wow, if I can speak, I put Rebel first, which is that shade, and then I put a little bit of Leader. I really like that shade. The only shade I find to be a little bit weird and a little bit drying is this Smoke Show. It's just a little bit, I don't know, just more dry in comparison to the other mattes, but other than that, I really love this palette. And next up, the Tartelette Toasted. This one's actually my favorite. I know a lot of people really did not like this palette. However, I love this palette. My favorite shade is Candle. This is so beautiful. I love this shade Warmth. I love Fireside, Cozy, you know, Sunrise. Again, I actually really love their cream, off-white cream shades. I really like them, so I appreciate them in every palette. But Warmth is just so unique, I feel. I don't know what it is about it. Really love that shade. I love doing Candlelight with a little bit of Warmth and then a little bit of Cozy. And again, it's not the exact same though, but Cozy has that like red hue to the brown. I do want to show you guys though that it's not really like the same, where this one's more, here, I'll put it right next to each other. Leader on this side is more of a deeper toned, where that one's more of a like mid-toned red brown. Really love it though. I just love that kind of shade like that. I bumped my chin on the palette. I feel like I wiped my foundation off on it. The only shade that I find iffy in this palette, okay, I guess it's all like the upper corner shades, it's just Crackle. It's only because like it has like those weird little micro glitters in it. It is a beautiful shade. it's just sometimes, I don't know, I'm just not the hugest fan of that shade. I guess that's just it. I'm just not the hugest fan of it. It's not awful, but I don't know. It's just kind of there. I still use it, but I don't know, in comparison to the other shades, like, I love Candle. I do like a little bit of Sunrise too, but it's more like, it looks like it's real shimmery, but it's not really. I would consider this more of a satin. Just, a Candle is just so stunning. But yes, I would say the Tartelette Toasted is my favorite, then the In Bloom, and then the original Tartelette. I know that might throw some people off. It's just my personal opinion, but I did want to give you guys my review. I got these in like December with Christmas, so now it is May, but yeah, it took me a while. But thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to try to use this guy more, because like I barely even like, I have to use him more. I have to try to use him more at least. Let's see, we're doing an upcoming chit chat, get ready with me. I just find that it can sometimes look a little bit weird on me if it's too cool toned, because I'm so cool toned. But I don't know, we'll see. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.